Here's how to connect and integrate Adobe Photoshop in ChatGPT. Let's get to it. So it's a new feature that they added inside ChatGPT. All you need to do is log into your account. After that, on the top left, you're going to find this apps on the left hand side. Press on it. Then inside apps, you're going to find Adobe Photoshop. You can edit and transform your images. So let's press on it. Now here, you can click on this connect button on the right hand side. We can allow ChatGPT to reference relevant chat and memories. Let's press on this button. And let's press on this connect button as well, in order to connect Adobe Photoshop to your ChatGPT account. Now we can press on this start chat button in order to proceed forward. We also got this cog icon on the right hand side of this start chat. Let's press on it. You've got these options here. You can disconnect it if you want. Disconnect Adobe Photoshop from your ChatGPT account. You can do that. You can also remove this reference memories and chats. You can disable it from here. And if you want to reconnect, you can click on these three dots and click on reconnect. All right, let's press on the start chat button. Now it has pre-selected Adobe Photoshop here. And if you go over to more, you'll find that we have got this Adobe Photoshop here. It's already selected. You can deselect it if you want. Go over to more and select Adobe Photoshop. Now let's add a photo here in order to edit it. So let's press on this plus button and press on add photos and files. Now I'm going to take this photo of Elon Musk, and what we are going to do is edit it. Let's try out something like change background to forest. Let's press on the send button here and let's check it out, what it does. All right, there you go. It did it. The low quality image is because I uploaded a low quality image. Otherwise, if you look at it, it did add a forest background behind. And it also shows you some tweaks that you can do forward. Add depth blur to make the forest look more realistic, change lighting, try a darker, denser forest, and a lot more. So you can just take this from here, copy it, and paste it. Or just say number 3. Let's go with number 3 to try a darker, denser forest for a more dramatic vibe. Or change the lighting. So let's go with the change lighting too. Let's do this. All right, now you got these options here. You can press on this on the top right of this image, and it's going to open up this Photoshop inside ChatGPT. You can change the temperature, tint, etc. inside it. And on top, you can also select this exposure and vibrance. This looks nice. Now you can also open in Photoshop if you've got it. All right. You can also ask it directly what else you can do. What all you can do, just let's ask that. So here are all the things that it can do. It can do real edits, like you can change the background to different stuff like forest, city, space, office, etc. You can replace elements inside, so you can add clothes, change clothes, sky, environment, vibe entirely. You can fix composition issues like lighting mismatch, etc. You've also got these precision controls. Like if you just want to add lighting or fix the lighting to face only from the entire image, you can do that. And change the color of the clothes. Let's try that out. Let's change this to a beach wear. So I'm just going to ask it to change to a beach shirt. Let's check it out. And yeah, there you go. It added beach shirt in this image. Also, they've got this article over here. You can click on it and it's going to give you more prompt ideas to use. So you can just go over here on this article and you can check out what you can do. If you want to do this, then you can try out this prompt on the right hand side in order to do this action on the left hand side. If you want to blur the background, then you can do this. And if you want to pop the subject, etc., you can do that. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect and integrate Adobe Photoshop in ChatGPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Adobe Photoshop and ChatGPT related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.